there, little dreamers. Settle in and get cozy, because I have a magical story to share about Arlo, the tiniest star collector in the whole sky. Every night while you're tucked in bed, Arlo tiptoes across fluffy clouds, gathering stars that have tumbled too close to Earth. He's careful and gentle, making sure each star feels safe and loved. His job? Making sure the night stays bright and full of twinkle. Without Arlo, the sky just wouldn't be the same. But one evening, as Arlo skips along a cotton candy cloud, he finds a little star hiding behind a moonbeam. This star isn't shining. Nope, not even a sparkle. It whispers, "I've lost my light. I feel sad and alone." Arlo listens closely, his heart full of care. Arlo's heart glows brighter than ever. He knows he has to help. He gives the little star a gentle hug and promises not to give up. With a deep breath, Arlo sets off on a wild adventure. He's determined to bring back the lost sparkle. He zips over rainbow bridges, bounces through clouds as soft as marshmallows, and twirls past giggling moonbeams. The sky is full of surprises. Along the way, he meets wise old owls who give the best hugs, butterflies that glow like lanterns, and the cutest cloud creatures who throw confetti everywhere. Each friend shares a little joy and hope. These new friends teach Arlo something super important. A little courage, some giggles, and a whole lot of love can bring back any lost sparkle. Together, they make a wonderful team. Together, they cheer up the little star, sharing stories and laughter until, poof, its light bursts back, brighter than ever. Everyone cheers and dances under the glowing sky. Arlo and the sparkly star fly way up high, painting the sky with the brightest shimmers anyone's ever seen. The night is magical again, all thanks to kindness and friendship. The stars twinkle with happiness, lighting up the world below. So if you ever see a star twinkling extra bright, maybe it's Arlo and his friends reminding us. Even the tiniest act of kindness can light up someone's world, and the whole universe. Sweet dreams and keep shining bright. Good night, little star collector. Thank you, little butterflies, and please like and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos.